Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. So today in this video I will be showing you the easiest way to install the latest version of Windows 11 24H2 without any kind of USB drive and without losing any of your data. This method will be applicable for both supported and non-supported hardware. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is you need to download the Windows 11 ISO file. So you will go to your default browser and type in download the Windows 11 ISO file. So you are going to click on the first link that you find, and here you can see the latest version is 2024 version 24H2. So here you have to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find download Windows 11 disk image. So you click on the drop here. So you're going to here. So click on drop here and choose Windows 11 multi edition and you click on download. Now next we will ask you to select the product language. Now here you have to be very careful while upgrading because you need to choose the same product language that you have currently configured on your current operating system. That is probably Windows 11, Windows 10. If you are not sure what to do, click on your Windows again, the search bar, and type in CMD. Click on administrator and run as administrator, and you'll be brought to this window here. Now you'll have to type a simple command in order for you to find a current language, and that is the DISM /online. So you will click the following command, DISM /online get -intl, and all you have to do is to click on enter, and you'll have to wait for it to load. So my current operating system, it's telling me it's English in United States, as you can see here, and it's also giving me the installed language is English USA. So you'll go back and you choose the English US United States, and now all you have to do is to confirm, and your file will automatically start downloading. So before anything, you'll have to choose the type of computer that you have, which is for mine is a 64-bit download. So you'll choose on the 64-bit download, and that is how your download will automatically start. All right, so finally the Windows 11 ISO has been downloaded. Now you will have to mount this ISO and copy all the files from this location. So what you do, either you can right click on it and click on mount, and sometimes the mount does not work for you. Then you can also click on it and also choose the WinRAR to extract all file of Windows 11 ISO. So I will try the mount option. That's very simple, right? Click on the mount adder and you'll find the Windows ISO file. So what you do is now you will have to copy all these files. Select all these files now, and you have to copy them to the C drive. So before you copy all these files, you have to create a new file, and you'll name this file Windows 11, or rather WIN 11. This is in order to make the installation as seamless as possible. Now, save the file and you paste these files here. You are going to paste these files here. Now we are ready to install Windows 11 on this machine without the use of USB. After pasting these files, and without losing any of our data, click on the Windows and search on CMD again. Search on command prompt CMD and run as administrator. Now, once you open the CMD, you will type in the following command. So before you type in the following command, you will go to where you had pasted these files, and you will click here above the file. Once you click here, you will copy all this. So you will copy this, and this is what you will paste here on the command prompt. So you can see it's here. We see Windows 11. So you'll put again a hash setup.x space right /product space server. All you have to do now is to press on enter. We'll have to wait for some time now for the Windows file to process. The video's installation page now will be up, and now you say install Windows servers. So you don't need to worry about it. It won't be installing the Windows server. This will be Windows 11. We are only using the procedure of installing the Windows server so that you can bypass everything, and we can easily install Windows 11 without any kind of USB on a supported hardware as well. Okay, here you have to click on change house setup download update, and as of now you have to click on right now so that we should not have any problem and click on next. Now it will be checking your PC and you find out that it will easily bypass everything. Bingo. Now you have to click on accept, choose what to keep. So you choose what to keep. If you don't want to lose any of your data, keep this selected and keep file settings and applications. In case if you want to delete everything, then you go either with the second or third option. Then it's ready to install. You won't be able to use your PC during the installation. So click on install and finally the installation of Windows 11 will be started. Now we have to just sit and relax until it's all done. All right. Now you can see we've successfully upgraded and installed Windows 11 on unsupported hardware without using any kind of USB or without losing any of our data.